Hello viewers. In this video, I want to share something which is actually my personal experience, but still may be very relevant to you. We are going through a very tough time of a coronavirus and a COVID-19 period where whether you are a businessman or a freelancer or perhaps you are employed somewhere, it doesn't matter. But there is always a dip, there is a pay cut, there is a layoff, there is loss of business, and most importantly, in quotes, the cash flow is becoming a big challenge. In this context, before I intend to say what I want to say, I want to share a small screen of mine where here you can see my name is appearing here. I'm just sharing my own screen with you. If you see here, by me being into the share and currency market from 14th September till 14th October, without depending on anybody for that matter, there has been a gross profit of 1,50,896 with a net profit of 1,49,446. And if you see, I have not spent much time. I have just done three trades, Bank Nifty and Nifty. That's all, nothing more than that. Dear viewers, the reason why I showed that screen to you is for the past 2 decades, I have had multiple capacities. Like I have worked in a larger enterprise. I have started and managed a business on my own. And I have also been a freelancer. What I didn't realize 1.5 years back, I want to share with you. We can never go and try to win against the nature of a calamity like COVID, which is happening right now. But there are always chances and ways with which you learn something different and start making good for the probable loss of income, which is happening not to your own mistake, but because of unfortunate circumstances. Viewers, in my view, I do not know how many such ways are there, but definitely learning about share currency market is one of the interesting areas because that is a financial evolution which is happening in India's current day scenario. And viewers, please understand, 9.5 years back, I never knew that if the markets go up, you make money, or if the markets come down, you make money. All these things I wasn't clear at all. I always thought only if the market goes up, you make money. It is not that way. What is important is you understand. Once you understand, you will realize the natural calamities do not matter. Your existing situations need not be changed. You can continue to do what you already are doing or what you would like to do. You don't need to spend any additional time. All what is needed is learn the right way and learn the mistakes that you should avoid. Then you don't really worry whether the markets go up or the markets come down. Still, you make money. Again, viewers, it is not necessary that you always look for a big money. It could be a few hundreds or it could be a few thousands. Probably to meet your EMI or to meet your expenses, be very clear in your need and make sure that you don't miss out on a probable opportunity to earn money by learning about the share and currency trading. Viewers, last but not the least, as part of our Unmaze program, our objective is to see if we can spread this among people who may not be aware and who may be thinking that I need to know about finance, economics, commerce, or share market in detail to do the trading. Trust me, nothing is required. All is needed is a proper learning so that you can make good for your own earnings without depending on anybody or without compromising your existing situation or position. Hope this video gives you some idea on if you can consider learning about the nuances of share and currency trading. Thanks for your time. Stay safe, take care, and I wish you a good luck. Bye bye, viewers.